Hi guys, Miss Candleberry here. It is day 13 or April Fool's Day, and I am here to tell you about today's activities. I'm going to start with the second grade board on level board, which starts with phonics. You're going to click this link to watch the lesson that Miss Chambers did, and then you're going to write the list of words, which are right here. And then you're going to choose 5 of those words to write sentences with. Pretty simple. So you're going to write the words, then choose 5 words to write sentences with. And after, if you would like, you can go to Spelling City and play some games with your words. It's a really fun site if you've never been there. And there are directions right here. So if you don't understand how to play city games, you can go here. It'll tell you how to get there and what to do. And then you can go play if you so choose. Again, that is optional, which means it's your choice if you do it or not. For math, you're going to click here and watch this video that Ms. Schauder did on pentagons and hexagons. Then you are going to create a shape monster by either cutting out shapes and placing them together or by drawing them. So it's your choice. Make sure your shape monster has at least 1 rectangle, 1 square, 1 triangle, 1 pentagon, and 1 hexagon. And so I'm going to kind of do this really quickly with you because I don't think some of us have actually learned how to draw these shapes yet. And the cool thing, you'll know. So first I'm going to draw, and you might want to come back to this part of the video when you're finished with that math lesson. But I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all give me a name. Layla's shape monster. Oh, what's a good name for a shape monster? I'll figure it out after I draw it. So I had to have, if I bring up, let me bring it up again. What did I have to have? Okay, let's see. I had to have, see if I can get them both in here at the same time. Yeah, a little bit. If I do it like that. Okay, so I have to have a rectangle, 1 square, 1 pentagon, 1 hexagon. So I'm going to have my shape monster start out, I think, with a hexagon. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Ooh. I want to show that that's a corner. Okay, so there's 6. It's going through on my table. I got this. Well, I'll do the purple one. Okay. 6. And then it says at least 1 pentagon. So, you know what? I'm going to give mine a little, actually, I want to give it a little hexagon-shaped hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can't give it a hexagon-shaped hat. I guess I'm going to give it a pentagon-shaped hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's its hat right there. And then I can give it at least 1 rectangle. So, I'm going to make a couple of rectangles in that rectangle. Okay, there's my rectangles. A square, okay. I guess that's a good enough thing to be a nose. And then I have to have a triangle. That's going to be easy. I'm going to have more than 1 triangle. Oops. Maybe that should be a snaggle tooth. I should have kept that as snaggle tooth. I guess I'm going to put it into another. Oh, it's easy to make. Didn't say I needed ovals, but I'm just going to stick some ovals in there. And I'm going to give it really funky shaped legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give it some rhombus legs. 1. Well, this might be more of a parallelogram, to be truthful. Nah, that's a rhombus. That's equal sides. That leg's a little bigger than that leg. This is an unfortunate monster. Let me give it some hairs sticking out. Maybe those are spikes. I don't know. Oh, those are his toes. Those are totally his toes. I might actually add some color to this. But there is my shape monster. Yes. Do I have one of each? Yes. Now, you could have cut out paper pieces like this to make them. Remember, hexagons and pentagons, they just have to be that number of sides. They don't have to be a fancy shape. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I mean, like, that's a funky shape, but it's still considered a hexagon. Anyway, so that is your math. Your math. This part right here is, guess what? It is optional. You need to do this activity. That's what's required. And then you can do this one if you so choose, but it is a choice. So that's the second grade activities today. Now for our advanced accelerated reading, or as I like to say, the third grade readers. So this is for daring, excellent, and students in cool if you choose. You're going to watch the suffix lesson that Miss Candleberry did. Then you're going to think of 10 words using the suffix from the video. And you are going to define 2 of the suffix words that you thought of. It's pretty easy. It's easier than what we used to do in class. We usually do in class, so you'll be fine. And then my advanced math friends, we don't have a new lesson today. You have work continued for Monday. So you're going to solve 4 new problems. Though it says work problems, it's word problems that are here at this link. And then you're going to show your strategy work, which is really important. And then you're going to upload your work, of course, everybody is, to your Dojo class portfolio. All right, so that is your work for this day, April Fools. Also, please watch the Read Aloud and the shared reading videos when they are put up. Thanks, guys. Bye.